App not available in your country? No VPN needed. Here's how to fix it. On your Mac, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Click System Settings to open it. At the top, click your Apple ID. Then click Media and Purchases. Click Manage, then select Change Country or Region. Choose a country where the app is available. Accept the user agreement to continue. Now, here's the secret. When it asks for a payment method, choose None. If you have any active subscriptions, this option won't appear. Add a valid local address. Click Done. That's it. App unlocked. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to DeviceMinute for more quick tech fixes.